Hi there, Tammy Stewart here at Health for a Purpose. I want to show you my #1 favorite fast food. But wait, if you watch, you're going to lose one of your excuses. So watch at your own risk. My #1 favorite fast food is a salmon patty, a salmon fillet. You can get a couple of different brands. Doesn't matter the brand. It does need to be cold water, wild caught. I'm going to repeat that because that's important. Cold water, that would be the Pacific Ocean, Alaska. Cold water, wild caught, never farmed. That's not healthy. Cold water, wild caught salmon. I love this specific kind because you see each fillet is frozen individually. So you can just drop this in a bowl of cold water and it might just take 5 or 10 minutes to thaw. You can't even drive to the fast food restaurant in that amount of time. While this is thawing, you're going to put your oven on broil. It'll take, in my oven, about 7 minutes. You'll put your cast iron. I use my griddle, but you can use a skillet, whichever you want. Put your pan in the oven, take the hot pad off, for 7 minutes to heat up. When this has thawed, you can feed all that leftover liquid to your cat. By then, your skillet will be very hot. So, you would put the salmon skin down on the skillet. Skin down, obviously, you've taken it out of the plastic. Put it back in the oven for another 7 minutes. You can go ahead and season it before you put it in the oven. Add some really simple, just salt and pepper. Keep it simple. If it's simple, again, you've removed an excuse. If you try to make it complicated, you'll have all kinds of excuses for yourself why you can't do it. Just keep it simple, salt and pepper. How easy is that? When it comes out of the oven, the skin will have stuck to the skillet, and that's perfect. That's what you want. Actually, your cat wants that. You let it cool, and you feed the skin to the cat. So you take your slender spatula, and you separate the meat from the skin. Leave the skin on the skillet for a minute. Put the salmon on your plate. What we love to do is just a big salad. Again, keep it simple. Don't mess with all the sauces. Keep it simple. You can add sauces later when this is easy for you, second nature. Some kind of lettuce, maybe some seeds or nuts, some grated cheese. Add some dried raisins, dried cranberries, dried cherries, things like that if you want. For salad dressing, keep it simple. Infused olive oil, like an orange infused olive oil is my husband's favorite. Or I'll take my olive oil and put a drop of doTERRA orange oil in it to flavor the olive oil. Super good. Then you can get some infused vinegar if you want, maybe an apricot vinegar or a coconut vinegar. You could get lime infused oil with coconut infused vinegar. You know, the lime and the coconut, mix it all up. So put your salmon on your bed of salad, your cheese, your dressing. You're done. How easy is that? Pour some olive oil over your salmon. You could put butter over your salmon. My kids are kind of picky. They don't want their salmon dried out. So be sure not to let it cook too long. When it comes out of the oven, it will continue to cook for a minute or two. So you'll have to practice with your oven and your skillet. My oven is small, so mine might cook a little faster than yours. If you buy your salmon at the grocery store from the butcher block, have him wrap it individually flat. What they'll tend to do is they'll tend to stack them all and package them really tight, and then it takes a long time to thaw. Part of the magic here is that it doesn't take very long for this salmon fillet to thaw in a bowl of cold water. So I hope that has empowered you to make fast food fun and delicious tonight. Be sure and catch our other YouTube video about fast food, which is, I'm not going to spoil it for you. You're going to have to go and find it. It's on our Facebook page. It's on our YouTube page. Other fast foods. Because I know that when healthy eating is easy, you're more likely to do it. Health is a journey, not a destination. I hope this helps.